Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project E-Nursery store. I am creating this video E-Nursery store. I have developed this project E-Nursery store in Python, Django and the MySQL. Okay, so I have developed this project which has a dual type of UI, means for admin there is a different UI, for user there will be a different UI. So we created this project using two different type of UI and both are the bootstrap theme. And also I am using latest version of Python. Python version is 3.12 and the Django version is 5. So this technology stack I am using in this project. This is a front end page of the project and this project title is E-Nursery store. I have developed this project in Python, Django and the MySQL. I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript, some of the jQuery library, and I have used for giving some good effects inside the project like this. You can see and also you can see there is a slider running on the home page and it's coming from the JavaScript, right? You can see here like this. You can see here categories. You can see all the categories listing from these categories, and this is a search bar. You can search anything related to project like a E-Nursery store from here. So this is all about the home page. This is a about us page. You can see this is a about us page. This is a static page, nothing dynamic in this page. If you want to change the content, you can change from about project.html. Okay. This is a products page. You can see all the nursery related products, plants which are coming from the database. You can add the number of plants from the database or add new plants page. Same for the category. You can see here the 8 categories. You can add the number of categories from the database or add category page. This is a registration page. This is a user registration page. You can easily register from here. And this is a contact us page. This is also a static page like about us, nothing dynamic in this page, and we have integrated a small map here. You can see. Okay. So now let's start the features inside the project which we had developed in this project. If you want to buy some plants, like click on the vegetable plants, click on the view details. Oh, here there is a restrictions. Without login, you can't buy any product. So log into your account. Here clearly mentioned to buy the products. So username is like a customer and the password is test. Now click on the login to account. This is a user dashboard. You can see total orders, confirmed orders, transit order, delivered. You can see here important links. You can easily come from this. You can easily go from page on these links and your orders. If you want to buy some products, now click on the shopping and click on the products. If you want to buy native plant, then click on the view details. If you want to, you can see the here all products details. If you want to add quantity, like you can add the number of quantity. If you want to buy 3 plants, then click on the add to cart. You can see your cart has been updated successfully, and you can see the amounts calculating automatically, like 3 items, and amounts you will be pay 6,600. Now click on the proceed to checkout. If you want to buy some other plants, then click on the continue to shopping. Now click on the proceed to checkout. Oh, here this is a payment dummy page, nothing real in this page. You can enter the any card number like this, you can like a masters, you can enter anything, expiry date and the CVV. Click on the make payment. You will, your order has been confirmed. You can see your order summary, your payment has been done. Okay, if you want to see your order details, now click on the my order section. You can see all your order. If you want to click the order details, click on the eye icon, you can see your order details. Okay, if you want to update your account, you can click on the my account section and you can easily update a account. And this is a change password, you can easily update your password. Okay, so this is all about the front end thing. And one last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see this administration option is showing, logout option is showing like this, my administration, logout, and the dashboard is also showing because of the session driven. So if I log out, you can see the upper menu has been changed for because of the session driven. So system is login, who is check-in, and accordingly the upper menu has been displaying. So this is all about the front end panel, what we have developed inside the project. Now comes the admin panel. For admin panel, you need to open admin, login. Without login, you can't access the internal page. So your login details like a admin, and the password is test. Now click on the sign in. You can see this is a admin dashboard. This is a very great dashboard and attractive dashboard. You can see each and all anything from this page related to products or a category, customers, your orders, all things you can see from here. It's like a total orders, order delivered, confirmed orders, order in transit, total products, total customers, you can see. Okay, now click on the product management. If you want to add some new products, some new plant, you can click on the add product and you can enter the new plants from this page and the save data. And this is a product report page. You can see all the plant reports. You can easily edit and delete from here, and you can also export the data as well as CSV, as well as Excel, as well as PDF. Okay, and if you want to, this is a column visibility. If you want to hide image, click on the image. You can see the image has been not visible. If you want to see the image, then click on the image. You can see the image has been visible. So this is product report. And same for the category, you can easily add the new plant category from this page, and here you can see also the category report. And this is a category report page. You can easily edit and delete from here, and you can see all the category report from this page. And this is a order management page. You can see all order reports. You can easily edit, view item, cancel, anything from, you can do anything from this page. Same like a product report, you can export the data as well as CSV, as well as Excel, as well as PDF. Okay, now click on the add customer. You can easily add the new customer from this page, add registration to, and this is a customer report. You can see all the customer report, and you can easily edit and delete from here. And this is a change password. Admin can easily update his password, and this is a logout. Okay, so this is the view of admin panel. You can see the view of admin panel and also view of user panel. So we have to develop these two different type of UI for the managing this whole project, E-Nursery store. So this is all features we have developed inside the project E-Nursery store. If you need any type of enhancement, any feature, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirement. So don't subscribe our channel. Don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.